Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra and here I am to get you the entire wrap-up of the markets or the D-Street trade in today's trading session. Remember, we just kick-started the new year on a big bang note with the bulls charging ahead and the Nifty and the Sensex are providing a whole lot of enthusiasm to all the investors who were quite worried about the rising cases of Omicron. But it's been the third consecutive session of gains for the benchmark indices, the Sensex and the Nifty. They've both managed to end with sharp gains in today's trading session. When we talk about the domestic stock indices, which continued their upward march today, the Sensex zoomed ahead by 672 points, over 1.14% of a gain for that one. 59,855 as the closing level for the Sensex today. The Nifty, on the other hand, also jumped about 180 points in today's trade, which was again 1% uptick that was seen in today at 17,800, which it managed to claim after a long haul of volatility that was bogging the street for a long time now. When we talk about the Bank Nifty, that was the star performer of yesterday's trading session. The index climbed further ahead by 1.15% on a closing basis and settled at 36,840 in today's trading session. When we talk about the broader markets, these indices also managed to see an uptick of 0.3% in trade when we talk about the Nifty Mid Cap 100 and the Nifty Small Cap 100 index as well. However, they did underperform the benchmarks by quite a margin. When we talk about the India VIX, there has been a lower volatility today. It ended 2% lower in today's trade. Apart from that, when we talk about the stocks that were the winners and the losers in today's trading session, a whole lot of stocks from the bank and power space that were in the limelight today. NTPC was the top Sensex gainer, up 5.5% today, followed by SBI, Power Grid, Titan and Reliance Industries. These were the big five gainers of the top Nifty 50. When we talk about the losers, on the other hand, from the pharma space, which has been on a slower lane and seeing some kind of weakening trend, Sun Pharma was one of the top losers in today's trading session. That sank about 1.09% in trade, accompanied by Ultratech Cement, IndusInd Bank and Dr. Reddy's that really did not participate in the gains that were seen in the overall rally in the markets today. Apart from that, the markets did seem pushing over the fears of Omicron and the rising restrictions and the lockdown situation that has been arising in a whole lot of states in India, with more and more cases emerging. But it's been the markets that have been going ahead and providing some kind of a sentiment booster to the markets overall and the investors as well. When we talk about equity investors, they have been a happy lot in this year of 2022 because just in a 2 days time, they have seen their wealth really rise quite a lot, jump by almost 5 lakh crore rupees in the first 2 days of the trading sessions in the new year itself, driven by the optimism that has been seen in the broader market space and also some kind of a sentiment booster coming in from the global market space as well. Now, investor sentiment also remained upbeat despite a surge in the US 10-year Treasury yield and a sharp jump in COVID cases globally. Remember, when we talk about the various sectors of the markets, 11 out of the 15 sectoral indices, they gained in strength in today's trading session, settled in the green as well. The Nifty Bank definitely up and away. Nifty PSU banks, financial services, autos, all of them jumped by over 1% in trade. The research suggests that, and most of the experts have been talking about, that going forward from here, 59,400 may act as a crucial resistance for the Sensex going forward from here. Whereas the market sustained above the 59,000 mark, we may actually hope for 60,000 to be approaching on the Sensex quite soon. Overall, the market breadth also remained quite in the positive, with 1892 shares advancing as against 1492 declining. Overall, a great day for the investors. Yet again, good opportunities for them to make money. With that, I wrap up this edition, but do stay tuned on to Business Today's YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, both in English and in Hindi, to catch all the updates on markets and on personal finance and any news updates that come in your way to support your news informations as well. With that, I wrap up this edition. Many thanks for tuning in for now.